The six pillars of Islam, the six articles of faith, that is belief in Allah, belief in His prophets, belief in His books, belief in His angels, belief on the Day of Judgment, belief on the decree, on the qadr. All of these is to do with the heart. Everything is to do with the heart. That's the i'tiqad. That's the belief you withhold to in this world, and then you die with that belief. You believe about Allah, you believe in the prophets, you believe in His books, you believe in His angels, and so on and so forth. Now, when a person, after believing in these six things, now it is wajib, it necessitates, it is necessary upon that person that he practices Islam in the five guided rules. Number one, after he believes in the six things, he will not make shirk, that is shahada, and la ilaha illallah, and that believes that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last and final messenger. And then he prays his salah, the second pillar of Islam. Then after he prays his salah, he gives zakah, he gives charity. And then after, he fasts during the month of Ramadan. And then he goes for Hajj, or she goes for Hajj and Umrah. These are the five pillars of Islam. The five pillars of Islam is your actions, and your six articles of faith is your belief, that's the aqidah.